How to buy in bulk in AliExpress. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to buy products on bulk on AliExpress. It's quite easy, so let's just jump right in. Open up AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged in. So if there is a product that you want multiple quantities of, you could just first go ahead and search for the product. So let me just scroll down here and find a product to order. So I'm just going to scroll here and find a pair of these sunglasses. You can just tap on this. Now you can just go ahead and tap on add to cart. Now you can select your colored lenses. So I'll go with the blue lenses and then tap on continue. Now the item has successfully been added to your cart. Now just view cart. And then from here, if you want to increase the quantity, you just tap on this plus icon to increase the quantity and buy products on bulk. And if you want to check out of multiple items and buy different items on bulk, you can do that as well. Just increase their quantity to your liking. And then you can just go ahead and tap on checkout. From here, you can enter your payment details and then you can use promo codes if you have it to apply for discounts. Or if you have your AliExpress coins, you can use those coins for a certain amount of discounts as well. Now, that's how you basically buy in bulk on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.